Hello friends, let's understand the maximum daily loss limit, a key rule to manage your trading risk. What is the maximum daily loss limit? It's the maximum amount you can lose in a single day before your account is suspended. This limit is set at 5% of the previous day's closing balance in both Two-Step Pro and Prime accounts. For instance, your account's previous day's closing balance, as per server time, was $110,000. Since the maximum daily loss limit is calculated on the previous day's balance, the limit for the next day will be 5% of $110,000, which is $5,500. If during the day you earned a profit of $5,000, then your limit for the day will be $5,500 plus $5,000, which is $10,500. The max daily loss limit helps keep your trading in check and protects you from significant losses. That's all for now. See you in the next video.